All right, today in the shop, we got to make this place cleaner. We got that sitting there, tools just hanging out. We got to keep the floor in here. We got Model A pieces there. Poor Clyde's turned into a table. This is actually not bad. We're going to leave that alone. But we got all this stuff out. That stuff. We got tools there. Tools under there. Dirt from pounding on it. You know, we got seats and stuff. We just got to make, better use of our space. Look at that. I've got pickup bolts and stuff. Yep. So that's what we're going to do today. We'll get you back in after we're done with it. Hopefully it looks better. Along with cleaning up the shop today, we, zoom out, made a haul at Harbor Freight. It was a sale. Plus I had a very generous coupon. We gotta find spots for all this stuff. Can't wait. We just added to the mess. It really doesn't seem like we got that far. But my boy's gonna get all of that, providing he shows up today. Other than that, it's going somewhere else. We did get some of this cleaned up. We still have some more of that to finish up. Just thought I'd give you an update. This is gonna be a long process. We still have to clean underneath there, vacuum this out, wire brush those wheels. Hey, there's a gas can. Clean some of this stuff up. So, get you back in here a little later. Look at that, boys and girls. Peyton actually does something in here. Instead of just making a mess and walking out. Don't get used to that sight. Okay, so Peyton looks like she's about done with the floor. So let's give you a quick little walk around. Yeah, right there, we got those. You got the garbage that's got to go up right there. By the way, that tire is hard, in case you guys wonder. I'm not going to show you the workbench because it's not done. All right. So there's the quick walk.
All right, since the shop is clean, I'm going to give you our tour of my U.S. General 5-drawer tool cart. This is how I set up mine. If you guys have any other ideas, put it down in the comments, please. So, this is just the outside right now. But I did get this thing, the outlet. It's magnetic, so it's like, just say, it's detachable. That's strong. I didn't realize how strong that was. And then I got the tray. I just can't get it out because of these. Then we finally put labels on it. Look at that, the Wall of Fame. We did put labels on it, or my dad did. I didn't. This is just the top. I don't really use whatever these things are. I did get a breaker bar. If I could get it out. Breaker bar. And then I just have other things in here. Not really much on the top. But then when you get into the drawers, beware the mess of my screwdrivers. It's kind of a mess, but it's kind of organized at the same time. And then there's the random junk drawer, I guess, if we would call it, the bigger stuff. And then we have, if I can find it, my pliers and other stuff, and clippers, and then I have, if I can find it, not my sockets, my wrenches. Ones that are clickable or non-clickable, both of them, metric and SAE, or standard, or whatever you call it. And then I just have my electrical tools, and some bits, and then my torque wrench, that one right there. And then down here, I just have my welding stuff and some gloves, and earmuffs, and glasses, or safety glasses, and then, I don't know what that is.
Well, since the shop is pretty clean, I'm trying to hide the workbench behind me so you don't see all that mess that I haven't finished. What I'd like to do is kind of show you how I have mine organized too. Mine's a little bit bigger, of course, so you can see it right there. So I'm going to get you over there and we'll show you what's up. All right, so I do have a Husky toolbox. I've shown you this before. Yeah, there's a tire that tried to blow me up right there. Anyway, so up here, it's just storage. I have not finished cleaning this. You can see right there. These are miscellaneous lug nuts from Clyde, and this is the Speedster stuff. I have magnetic stuff to hold them in place. I have a magnetic back here for things that I tend to lose. Hey, Goop. I had 58 chargers up here, but I just moved it down to 2, and then I have them in that box right there. So close that so you don't have to look at it. I've got writing utensils, miscellaneous stuff. I've got bins for some of it. Haven't quite finished organizing that yet. Got some cutting tools and pliers and clamps and shop shears. Just go get these Harbor Freight. They're like $10 or something. Just go get them.
They're amazing.
Yeah, like Peyton said, they're amazing. Here's just a variety of my hammers. I don't do shingling anymore, but darn it if I'm not gonna get rid of this hammer. Don't do too much. This is my death stick. They don't call them a death stick anymore. They call them like dead on or something, but this is the real death stick from when I was a framer. I had some other hammers, a sheetrock hatchet, and then some files and chisels and stuff. This is where I've got bits and grinder wheels and the rotary tool and some saw blades. This is kind of a good drawer for all the stuff that people tend to kind of have scattered. Got screwdrivers. I know screwdrivers used to be up here. Now they're down here. I'll show you why. That is a lockable drawer. I don't have anything in it really. Garbage, I think. So I did lay out my 1/2 inch, my 1/4, my 3/8. Some of these in here for my dad, so I've got duplicates. Got my wrenches. I have more than this, but they're not in here, and I'll show you why after a bit. Can't remember what's in here. Oh yeah, nothing. I cleaned it out today. Got some brake tools and just some automotive stuff. This could probably get combined with something else at some point. Same with this. I haven't gotten down to this far yet. These are those specialty tools. Impact sockets, hole saws, hose assembly repair kit. I don't even know. I think it's a soldering iron or something. Got my junk. And I got some saw blades and saws because I don't really have a place to put them yet. I had to take a long walk over here. Now, some of the reason why I don't have as many in there is because I put a set of screwdrivers and nut drivers in here. So I can just roll this out instead of walking back and forth. Same with pliers and snips and good stuff. I got some diagnostic stuff. My favorite oil wrench, or oil filter wrench. I don't even know if I have another one. And then we got some other wrenches down here. And some work lights. That's why we don't have as much in the toolbox as we used to.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. Keep on edge and have a great day.